Today I'm gonna sew this patch, which is technically an iron-on, but I'm gonna sew it on. I'm gonna sew it on to over the Converse logo here, because I don't care for it. And I think this patch is cooler, so yeah. I'm so glad I'm getting my hair redone today, because these bangs are too long. I also want to make this look like it was hand put on there, like grungy hand, well not grungy, but like hand sewn, you know, so not like perfect looking. So I'm going to try to do some cool looking stitches. Let's see how that turns out, I guess. Look at the shiny thread. I love it. It's so rainbowy. I am struggling really hard to get this dang thread through the needle eye. It took, I don't know why. Let's orient the patch. Do I want it straight up or tilted? Ooh, I like tilted. And then let's pin it into place so it doesn't move while I sew it on. I want y'all to know I learned from my mistakes from last time. So I'm going through as little of the applique as possible since it has that hard backing and it's just really hard to get the needle through. I'm doing a jagged sewing line to really show that it's handmade. And I bought a thimble and it's rainbow and it works so much better than using my nails and it doesn't hurt me. Oh my god, look at how easy that is. Look at how easy. Okay, I'm still struggling, but you get the point. Get it? Point, because it's a needle, it has a point. That's good. This thread was really easy to break by accident and that happened a few times. So I had to scramble to tie the ends off awkwardly, but they were too short, but I had to so they didn't like unravel later. I didn't like it. This light is obscenely bright. Oh my gosh. But it's nighttime now. I did a lot of things since things happened. My day happened. And I finished the applique things. Yeah, let's see how they look. They actually look pretty cool. It was very hard to get anything around here because there's extra padding at the heel, so there's a lot less of the thread there. But yeah, you can see it kind of looks like, I don't know, very shiny and stuff. So yeah. And then the other one, yeah, this is the first one I did, so you can definitely see there's no like these little things sticking out over here because I was like, I don't know what to do. So it just went in. So it looks very handmade. But yeah, I think it looks awesome. Oh dang, look at that black light action. I was not expecting these to look glowy, but heck yeah, oh my gosh, I love it. And there is still more I want to do with these shoes, so follow along to see what's next.